And he says in verse 19, excuse me, in verse 19, and this is the condemnation, that light is come into the world, and men loved darkness rather than light, because their deeds were evil. For everyone that doeth evil hateth the light, neither cometh to the light, lest his deeds should be reproved. Now that's the Adamic nature. That is the very first thing we saw in Adam way back in Genesis chapter 3, that even though they had sowed fig leaves, and even though they thought now they had their nakedness covered, when they heard that the Lord was now back in the garden and ready to spend that time of communication with them in the cool of the day, what did Adam and Eve do?